Are you still editing videos manually? Does it still take hours for you to edit videos? Palmier Pro is one of the open source repositories trending on GitHub today. Now using AI, we can create videos very easily. Palmier Pro runs on Mac, and while it's running, it also has a MCP server which can be connected to Claude or Codex. I hope you would have downloaded Palmer Pro. Now let's add MCP server to Claude. MCP server is the bridge between Claude and Palmer Pro. Now let's verify whether MCP server has been added and enabled in the Palmer Pro. Open Claude Code and run /mcp. That should list Palmer Pro as shown here. Palmer Pro should be shown as connected. Now since we have MCP connected to Claude, so our end goal now is to give raw footage to Claude and ask it to generate a YouTube video using Palmer Pro. So let's just describe this to Claude. I already have a video present at a specific path. I'll just give that path to Claude and ask it to generate a video for YouTube. You may optionally add some more instruction like what should be the duration of total video. You may add MCP for 11 labs or some other tool where it can even generate the voiceover. Given all the instruction, Premiere Pro starts using MCP and starts editing videos. And it will take it after taking and after some time, once it's done, it generates a video in the out folder, and this is the final video. Thank you for following Easy AI. Please subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every weekly.